I'm being told that they have been in court, supposed to get an order, which they did not get. Then they came to the court here in Nairobi, and I'm told they did not get orders. The lawyer here, Danton Omari, was there in court, and I'm told the media was also present when they were denied an order, and the matter is supposed to be heard on the 7th of next month. But then here they're pretending to say that they have an order. We don't know where they got that other order. These police are operating very much like in the NYAYO times. They say that the more the things change, the more they remain the same. We are seeing actually a reinvention of NYAYO era here. Police acting with impunity. And actually it's been supported by the Directorate of Public Prosecution.